right, now this one is not your house because you're just at lot stage, but this is a Phoenix that is under construction. So I wanted to get a quick video of it, just so that you could get a general idea of what it's going to look like. So this is the outside. Let's see how much we can actually see of the inside. So this particular one is at frame stage, so it makes it much more difficult to be able to really tell where the rooms are when you're at frame stage. So this is the two-car garage that we entered. When we come out, this would be as if we were coming in through the front door. So this has the flex room here when you first walk in. It could be on the other side depending upon what the orientation is of the one that you purchased. It has this grand hallway. And then when you come in, it has a really large kitchen, dining, and living room. This area would be the kitchen, this would be for an island, and then this is your dining living area. You have bedrooms down this hallway. And down this hallway. These ones actually seem like the guest bedrooms, and then this appears to be the master. All right, as this one gets more completed, we'll have a better idea once the drywall is up. Again, you know this isn't your home, but this is just a Phoenix model that is under construction. All right, I'm gonna get this over to you.